Many students get confused about the service fee and the I-901 fee, but the truth is they are the same. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have been following my series on journeying after admission to a US university, you will know that I have covered how to get your I-20 form, how to fill the DS-160 form, the visa application process, and some other important information. So I've created a playlist for these videos, and if you're an international student in this process, I will advise you to watch these videos. This is going to save you a lot of stress. It's going to give you so many information that you need to know and help you avoid mistakes of I know I would have done it this way, or I know I should have done this. All right. So today we are diving into the service fee, an essential part of your student visa application process. It is important to note that the service fee is different from the visa application fee, and you have to make this payment. You have to pay for your service fee before appearing for your US visa interview. Do not go for the interview without paying your service fee. In fact, one of the important documents that you need to go with for your US visa interview is the confirmation page, like the payment confirmation of your service fee. All right. So what exactly is the service fee? The word service stands for Students and Visitor Exchange Information System, and the service fee is required by the DHS, the Department of Homeland Security, for certain international students, visitors, exchange visitors, and their dependents. So it is mandatory for students applying for F, M, and J visas. Okay? It just helps them maintain the system that tracks and monitors international students and their schools in the US. So how much is the service fee? For students applying for F1 visa, the service fee is $350. Depending on the payment method or where you are paying, there might be a little processing fee around $10. Okay? So take note of all this information. And if you are paying, like, the exchange rates might also affect the total amount if you are paying in a currency other than the US dollar. Just for you to know. All right. To make the payment for the service fee, you would need to fill the I-901 form. So I'll be sharing my screen on how to go about this. And also, I'll be sharing my screen on what a service fee confirmation payment looks like. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Do not skip so you don't miss out on important information. All right, let's get started.
So if you look at this website, you have pay I-901 fee and the check the I-901 status. So you'll be making use of this too. But the first one, to fill the form before you can make the payment, you click on pay the I-901 fee. And as you can see, let's look at the instructions, the payment instructions. Number one, you must have a complete and accurate form I-20 form or DS 2019. So in case if you see any mistake on your I-20, make sure you contact your school official, let them correct it for you before you proceed in this payment. Okay. Also, do not pay for a dependent child or spouse, F2, J2. They don't need to pay for service fee. All right. And if you have any mistake, if you know of any mistake and you've submitted your information, make sure you send an email to them and they would rectify that for you. Okay. So now let's proceed. To fill this form, you need your SEVIS ID. So you can find that on the top left of your I-20 form, on your I-20 form, and your last name, your surname, your given name, your first name, and your date of birth. So just make sure that your last name is entered exactly as it appears on your I-20 form or your DS 2019. You have your date of birth also is entered exactly as it appears on your I-20 form. Also, ensure that your I-20 form, your DS-160 form, your service, this I-901 form, all the information you are putting in, they match one another, like they are the same or true. Okay, so let's proceed.
At this point, fill in the correct details, your service ID, your last name, your given name, and your date of birth. Okay.
Then you click on submit. Just make sure that you've gone through this before you click on submit. So when you click on submit, it's going to bring out these details for you. We can only accept check, money order, or Western Union for your I-901 fee. So just for your information that these are the three methods of payments that you can use. Whichever one works for you. You can either send a check or do a money order or Western Union quick pay. I think the Western Union it's Western Union quick pay, okay, for your I-901 fee. Then you click on continue making payments. This is where you're going to fill in your information, applicant information. You want to select the form type. We have two categories here. We have form I-20 and the form DS 2019. So I'm going to click on the form I-20. As an F1 student, if you are going for J1 or J1, you would click on the other one. So you are going to input your email address, your country of citizenship, your country of birth, the street address, your state, your country, your address information generally. Then the school information. Just make sure that everything you have on your I-20 form is what you are putting in here. When you are filling this form, just carry your I-20 beside you and put your I-20 beside you and start filling this form. Don't rush, take your time, don't make mistakes. Okay? Now I'm going to go ahead to fill this form. It's for I-20. The email address, you put in your email address. And this school information, you can find it on the I-20 form under school information to fill this place. This place will be letters, these ABCs will be letters, this will be like 5 numbers, and this is 3 numbers. Okay. You've read the instruction of this form, and I understand that you'll be able to print a payment confirmation, and you understand that this payment confirmation is an important document for this non-refundable fee. So this is just like you want to sign an agreement, just click on I agree after reading the instructions carefully. So after reading the instructions on this form carefully, if you click on you agree to continue. But before you continue, make sure you check every details very well. Ensure that you've inputted the correct things, the correct information. So when you get to this page, you can see that you have, please take a moment to review the information on this form. And if any information you enter needs to be corrected, click on return form to make sure that you update it before submitting your payment. Okay, so look at your visa type, your SEVIS ID, the date of birth, the last name, the given name, the email address, the country of birth. Look at the school code, the amount due, and the street address. Yeah, before you click on check or money order or Western Union. You understand? Going to then check. So automatically I have this generated. You have to get this coupon. So I am going to show you what the coupon looks like. So you're going to have a coupon printout, a payment coupon. So you find that in the coupon number. Just click on that number. That is the coupon number you will be using to make your payment. Okay. So after you've made your payment, you come back to this website. You want to make sure that your payment is confirmed. So you click on check the I-901 status. This is where you're going to print your payment, your confirmation payment details. Okay, it's just like a receipt, and you need to take that along with you. You will need it during your visa interview. So it's very important for you to come back to this website, input your SEVIS ID, your last name, and your date of birth to check the status, or print the payment confirmation. You understand? So I'm gonna do that now. And this is what a payment confirmation looks like. You're going to see this current status paid, and you click on view payment confirmation. Then you have it. You have the This is what the payment confirmation looks like. So you have to print this and take it along with you. You will need it during your visa interview. Okay? So make sure you do this very well. Don't forget to input your correct details. If you have any like probably you made mistake while filling your form, you can always reach out to this email. You can always send an email to them to get it corrected. You don't have to panic or whatever. All right. I hope this was really helpful. If so, please like this video, give it a thumbs up. All right.
So that is all for today's video. I hope this video helped you understand the service fee and how to pay for it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you are yet to do so. Please turn on your notifications so you'll be notified when I drop my next video. Also, share this video with anyone you know might find it helpful. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.